In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Monday.com. Exporting your board data is really useful if you want to back up your work, share it with people outside your Monday.com account, or do deeper analysis in tools like Excel. I'll walk you through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, start by opening the specific board you want to export. This could be a projects board, a sales pipeline, a content calendar, anything you've been tracking. Make sure you're on the main board view where you can see all your items and columns, because that's the data that will be included in your export. Once your board is open, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is often called the 3-dot menu or the More Options menu. Go ahead and click that. This menu is where Monday.com keeps a lot of board-level actions and settings. After you click the 3-dot menu, a drop-down list will appear. From that list, find and select the option called More Actions. This tells Monday.com that you want to do something extra with the board beyond the usual day-to-day updates. When you click More Actions, you'll see another set of options. Here, look for Export Board to Excel and select it. This is the feature that creates a downloadable spreadsheet based on the board you're currently viewing. The export will include your items, groups, and columns laid out in a way that you can easily open and work with in Excel or another spreadsheet tool. After choosing to export, you may see a prompt asking whether you want to include updates or sub-items. Updates are the conversation threads and comments attached to each item, and sub-items are those extra layers of detail that sit underneath a main task or item. Take a moment to decide what you really need. If you want a simple, clean spreadsheet with just the main data, you might uncheck those options. If you need a more complete snapshot of everything happening on the board, including discussions and nested details, leave them checked. Once you've made your selections, click Export. Monday.com will process the request and then either automatically download the Excel file to your computer or give you a link, depending on your browser settings. From there, you can open the file, store it as a backup, share it with your team, or plug it into your reporting and analysis workflows.